We live in a world that is centered around data. Data-driven decision-making shapes up businesses. Machine learning algorithms are the forefront of technological innovations. You've heard it all. But where does all the data come from? The Excel and CSV files with source data you're working with must have been created by a person or a program, right? Wouldn't it be nice though if you were that person? Or better yet, if you were the person who created that automation program? If the answer is yes, then this is the right course for you. We've designed this amazing course namely to equip you with all the tools you need to start collecting data. In the first part of the course, you will start with a formal approach. We will learn how to collect data through APIs, as APIs are the most commonly used way to transmit data via the internet. You will understand how to get data from APIs and also how to post your own data contributions to APIs. But unfortunately, APIs are not always there for us. Sometimes the information we need is displayed on a website, which doesn't provide an API. What can we do in this scenario? Visit the page and write down the data manually? Please don't ever do that. We live in the age of automation, and web scraping is the embodiment of automation. This precisely is the focus of the second part of the course. We learn how to leverage powerful libraries such as Beautiful Soup and Request HTML to scrape any website out there, well, at least the ones we are legally and morally allowed to. Taking this course is the perfect way to boost your analytics or programming career, get the chance to work with real data, and learn from a true industry expert, Andrew Treadway. Andrew is a senior data scientist for the New York Life Insurance Company who holds a master's degree in computer science with machine learning from the Georgia Institute of Technology. He's an outstanding professional with more than 7 years of experience in data-related Python programming. He's also the author of the famous Yahoo Finance package used to scrape historical stock price data from Yahoo Finance. As with all the courses, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee if at some point you decide that the training isn't the best fit for you. What's more, the course comes with plenty of exercises, homework, downloadable files, quiz questions, and course notes. Everything you need for a perfect learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? Click the buy button now and let's start collecting data together.